Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide desktop icons in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To hide your desktop icons in Windows 11, the process is quite straightforward. Begin by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop in an empty space. A context menu will appear. From this menu, locate and select the View option. Within the View submenu, you will find an option labeled Show Desktop Icons. If this option is currently checked, it means your desktop icons are visible. To hide them, simply click on Show Desktop Icons. This action will uncheck the option and immediately remove all icons from your desktop. If you decide that you want to bring your desktop icons back at a later time, the steps are exactly the same. Right-click on your desktop again, navigate to the View menu, and then click on Show Desktop Icons. This will recheck the option, and your icons will reappear on the desktop. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.